Now, while most of the country is battling a sweltering heat wave, Limpopo and Mpumalanga are bracing for storms. Tropical storm Filipo, which has been entrenched in the Mozambique Channel, is now headed to the Lowveld. The Weather Service says warning of heavy rains and wind, but it says the storm should move fast and is expected to be over by this Thursday.
Yes, so we do have it was a moderate tropical storm by yesterday, as it was along the Mozambique Channel and parts of, obviously, the Mozambique Channel and Madagascar. But however, it has made landfall over Mozambique, especially over the southern and central parts of the country, and it's moving further south. As it made landfall, it was a severe tropical storm, which would mean the winds were greater than 89 kilometers per hour, just less than 118 kilometers per hour. But it brings with it heavy rains as well as a lot of high seas and obviously storm surges around the area. So the system is expected to move further south. As it moves south, then as it has made landfall, it's now an overland depression because it loses some of its energy. And as it moves south, then it's expected to become a moderate tropical storm again as it moves over to the ocean, or rather the Mozambique Channel again. Areas to be affected over Gauteng would be the extreme northeastern parts and parts of the northern eastern parts of the country, which would include the Lowveld of Mpumalanga, areas of the Nkomazi district, where we have a orange level 6 warning for disruptive rain, all the way to the northern parts, or rather northern districts of KwaZulu-Natal, just above Richards Bay, and areas like Umkhanyakude and all to Umfolozi are expected to have disruptive rain with the system as it moves further south and along the Mozambique Channel. We also have yellow level 4 for disruptive rain, mainly over the Lowveld of Mpumalanga all the way to Limpopo. Today, we're expecting a scattered to isolated chance of showers and rain over the eastern parts of Limpopo as the system has made landfall over Mozambique. And the system is really moving fast, so as it's moving fast, by tomorrow, everything, just Thursday so Wednesday, it will be much more of the rain and the moisture then still remaining, but by Thursday, everything would have been cleared or just starting to come to an end as the system is actually moving fast.